Hey, to input memory card into your Redmi 13, first of all, you will have to prepare your memory card and also this SIM tool. You can find it in your box. Next, you will have to grab your phone. The SIM slot is located on the left upper corner. You have to input this item inside. And when it is inside, you have to gently press on it. There we go. Now we have to remove your SIM tool. Grab this with your fingers. There we go. And we have to input the SIM card, I mean the memory card, just right here. So input this memory card like this. As you can see, that's how it looks. And now we have to grab it and put it back inside this SIM slot. Do this slowly. Try to press with your finger gently. As you can see, in my case, it actually pops out of the slot, so I have to get it back, push it with my finger, and now I can hold it and start pushing. Now it will be inside, and now, as you can see, it is finished. And now I can find the information that I just successfully input the memory card. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.